Good news for Ayushman Bharat beneficiaries in Odisha. All medical tests conducted up to 3 days before a patient's hospital admission will now be covered under the Ayushman Bharat package. Announcing the decision, Odisha Health Minister Mukesh Mahaling said that strict instructions have been issued to all private hospitals across the state. Any hospital found refusing to include eligible pre-admission tests under the scheme will face appropriate action. As per the revised guideline, diagnostic tests carried out within 3 days before admission must be treated as part of the Ayushman package and covered accordingly. The minister said the government received complaints through media reports and social media that some hospitals were not extending these benefits, causing inconvenience to patients. To ensure proper implementation, a high-level monitoring committee has been formed. The committee will conduct inspections and visit hospitals across Odisha to check compliance. The issue was recently discussed in a meeting with health department officials and representatives of private hospitals, with a focus on ensuring beneficiaries receive the full benefits of the scheme. The move is expected to provide significant relief to Ayushman card holders and strengthen access to affordable healthcare in Odisha.
एवं मु गोटे लोकों पाखे गोटे सूचना देवाई चाहे जे धरतु जड़े रोगी हॉस्पिटल को आसिला एवं कौन सी रोगर टेस्ट है जे कि हॉस्पिटल रे भर्ती होगा पड़ो तो तार 3 दिन पूर्वर भर्ती पूर्वर जहाँ टेस्ट हम सेटा पैकेज रे इनक्लूड अच्छी एवं से पैसा पैकेज रे बहन करा जीवो सेही ट्रीटमेंट रो पैकेज रे एवं यही अवेयरनेसटा लोकों को पाखरे मध्य रहिबा कथा यही कथा आम क्लीयर कट भाव रे हॉस्पिटल जो माने कॉर्पोरेट हॉस्पिटल रो आस्तिले अथॉरिटी तांको क्लीयर कट बुझाइछु।